Welcome to Golden Horizon Sierra Model. So mga kabalay, our Sierra Model here in Golden Horizon, located lang po tayo sa may Hugo Perez 13 Martires, Cavite. This is one ride to Manila and napakalapit lang po natin sa Tagaytay at SM13. Kung ito ang hinahanap mo, halika at samahan mo ako, pasukin natin ang Sierra Model. Let's go mga kabalay! So mga kabalay, what you see is what you get. Kung ano nakikita nyo mismo sa ating actual turnover, ito mismo ang ating frontage, yan na rin ang iyong makukuhang property. As you can see, we have a carport here, and we have a mini balcony, and have massive windows that we are offering you. If that is your preferences, kabalay, I believe this is for you. This is our carport. Saan ka pa makakita ng isang townhouse na may malaking carport na katulad nito? Kasya dito ang isang, of course, SUV, or kung nakatera ka, kasyang-kasya dito, or kung nakaban ka man. This is our carport na meron siyang parang garahe na para sa iyo. Diba? So your property line mga kabalay is starting from here up to this one, this area, or if you wish to have a corner lot, isagad na natin hanggang dito. So may mga available pa kami dito mga kabalay na corner lot or end unit na may extra space pa dito to expand your house. Now, we're done with the outside of the house. Let's go naman sa interior ng bahay. Mga kabalay, dito ito mismo ang ating full turnover ng ating Sierra Model. Here in our ground floor, as you can see, as this is a corner lot, we have massive windows here na nakikita nyo. Yan, this is sliding windows, and we have owning windows here from here up to here. So it gives you a well ventilation and maganda ang pasok ng hangin. Nga pala, ang 13 Martires ay isang mataas na lugar dito sa Cavite. Kaya, hindi dito binabaha. So dito naman mga kabalay is our kitchen area. As you can see, this is the actual turnover for our kitchen. May stainless steel na siya. Yan, tiles na rin siya. Wherein, sa aking video na isa na dress-up model for Sierra, makikita nyo mayroon tayong base cabinet at hanging cabinets na lalagay. So this is the kitchen area. This area pala, bago natin pumunta sa may bathroom, ito ang ating living area. Ayan. Well, spacious living area and mataas ang ating ceiling. No? Pwede kang maglagay dito ng drop ceiling. Doon sa aking dress-up model ng Sierra, makikita nyo yung design ng drop ceiling para may idea kayo. Ayan. This naman, you can have this one as your dining area. If you are starting family, kasyang-kasya po dito ang 4 na chairs na table. Yan. Then, on my right side, we have another door here going to your backyard. Yan, this is your backyard na pwedeng later on, if you wish, ilagay mo dito yung iyong kitchen or expand ko pa dito for your laundry, no? Or service area. Kung ikaw kabalay ay kukuha ng corner lot, ito yung may experience mo. You having this extra lot on your side. So, we have still available here na corner and end unit. Just contact me lang mga kabalay. I will reserve that for you. Yan. So, anong advantage kapag corner lot mga kabalay? Ang corner lot will give you an extra space dito sa side to expand pa and renovate. And of course, may additional ka dito sa side mo na mga windows. Something like that. Okay? Let's go back inside the house. Then mga kabalay, here naman ang ating first bathroom. So, as you can see, this is not an ordinary size of a bathroom. Ang laki ng space niya talaga, kabalay. No, extra space pa talaga siya. So, pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng shower area, hindi dikit mismo sa toilet. And we have here your lavatory. May tiles na rin yan. So, meaning to say, wala ka nang ipapaayos for your bathroom. So, this one naman is our hagdanan, no? Dito, pwede kang gumawa ng storage area. From my dress-up model, ginawa natin dito sa model house, sa ating video na isa, is nilagyan nila dito ng storage, no? So, pwede kang maglagay dito ng anything like storage area. Yan. So, we're done with the ground floor. Let's go naman sa second floor. Pero okay naman, nag-improve na yung ano ko, no? Naging kalmado na ako, no? Mas okay ganon. Now we're here, mga kabalay, sa ating second floor. As this is a semi-complete turnover, as you can see, we have a massive space for your second floor. Kaya po dito ang 3 bedrooms. Dahil po semi-complete tayo, ang kagandahan sa semi-complete, you can customize and personalize yung space mo for your bedrooms. So mga kabalay, from my dress-up model, we have, pinakita natin doon na meron tayong 3 bedrooms na divisions, no? This one, your first bedroom, your second bedroom, this area, and this area for your third bedroom. And then on this side is our second bathroom. Yan ang second bathroom natin, no? Malaki rin, tulad ng first bathroom natin. Then last but not the least, our mini balcony. So look at the door, glass door. Yan mga kabalay, these are mini balcony. So saan ka pa? So you have a mini balcony, a car park, 71 square meter ang ating lot area, 54 ang ating floor area. Massive spaces that we have here, provision for 3 bedrooms. That's for Sierra model.